Hi, I'm Sasha. Today I'm going to be trying to make some bubble tea. I usually try not to buy bubble tea because it has so much single-use plastic, like the straw and then the little piece of plastic film that goes over the top and then the cup. So I thought it would be really fun to try and make some myself. I specifically like to buy iced fruit teas with jelly and those little popping pearls, so I thought it would be really fun to try and do those at home. The two main ingredients you'll need to make the popping pearls are sodium alginate and calcium lactate. The sodium alginate and calcium lactate are used in two separate solutions to make the popping pearls. I bought both of them from an online cooking supplies store. The blended sodium alginate mixture should then go in the fridge for 3 to 4 hours. I let the sodium alginate mixture sit in the fridge overnight to cool. Now I'm going to put red food colouring into half of the mixture so that I have two different colours of popping pearls. After looking around my house, I found 4 different containers that I was going to test to make the popping pearls with. I'm going to follow the instructions on this packet to make some agar jelly. My agar jelly has had a couple hours to set, so now I'm going to cut it into cubes. Alright, so I've just made all of the drinks and now Nicola and I are going to taste test them and just tell you what we think of them. First one we have is the strawberry milky tea, and I've put little bits of strawberry jelly joy in the bottom just because I thought that would taste nice. You want to try it?
Yeah. Okay,
and we've got a big metal straw in it, like that's thick so that you can drink smoothies and jelly through it.
Kind of smells like chocolate a little.
Really? Do you think? Does it taste like what you get?
I didn't get any of the jelly, but it tastes really.
Oh,
yeah, it does actually.
Yeah.
Except for like the jam type stuff. I don't know what they put in it.
That tastes really good actually. I like the mix of the strawberry powder flavour.
And the tea.
And the tea.
You can still taste the tea, but it's really.
I just got a bit of the jelly.
Oh. Okay.
Should we move on to the next one?
That one's so good.
Yeah. So this second drink is peach and passion fruit iced tea with agar jelly.
I feel like this will be my
Do you
favourite.
want to try it?
Wait, what's the next one?
The next one is a lychee flavoured tea. I don't know, I just sort of made that one up myself.
This one's very strong tea flavour.
Oh really? I guess, well, it's mostly tea and then peach tea cordial. Yeah, is it good?
The passion fruit is really nice. I've got all the seeds in my mouth, but it's good.
Oh, I got some of the agar jelly.
Oh really?
Just a tiny bit. Don't know if I really like the flavour of that tea itself.
This one, yeah, it's just a bit too much of the tea, and
it might have been better with black tea. I prefer that flavour.
Yeah, maybe. It's still really nice though. Nice and fresh, but it still has that tea flavour.
Right. I hope this one's good. I haven't tasted it yet, and it might not have enough lychee syrup, but this is like it's rooibos tea, so like red tea, and then I put a bunch of lychee syrup in, and then there's little bits of lychee syrup, and also I should have put these in all of them, but my little popping pearls that I made.
Oh yeah. So, oh my gosh, I just got a bunch of the pearls.
That's good. Oh, it's just really subtle. Yeah, next time I'll put a lot more of the lychee stuff in.
Yeah, this one also is quite similar to the one before, like it's very much like that tea flavour.
That's the end of the video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and you can try some of these little ideas for these drinks if you want.
Definitely test out the pearls because they worked so well.
It was really fun to make them. So I hope you enjoyed. Thank you very much for watching.
Bye!